Good morning and welcome back. If you have made it this far, you are almost done. Our final assignment, our final piece of this project is to assemble our finished pegboard with our finished mallet. So to do this, we'll start a new assembly. We're going to place assembly 2, and if you click on it, if you're not sure, if you click on it one time, you'll see a preview of it. So we want our finished pegboard. I'm going to open and place it one time, right click OK, and then I'm going to place my finished mallet, and I'm going to place that, right click OK. Now this looks real good, but you can see that we can move this around and through, and so from an isometric view it looks okay, but we want to make sure we've got this positioned properly. So I'm going to come over to my view cube and I'm going to click front, and you can see now that we're a little low and we're a little off center. I'm going to slide this back just a little bit, and I'm going to bring it up, kind of like that. And then I want to go back to my view cube, and I'm going to click this little arrow right here and turn to the right side, and you see that I'm way too close. So I'm going to pull that out just a fraction of an inch. And go back to the front and make sure we're okay. You can roll to the top and make sure it's okay, and that looks fine. And then if you click your house, it comes back in and it looks great. Once you have that, File, Save As, Final Pegboard Assembly, and save, and congratulations, you are done with your first major inventor project.